Today we're making this broccoli, cheddar, and chicken soup. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. It's October, which means it's officially soup season. I am so excited to share this recipe with you. It's so good. It's that classic broccoli and cheddar soup, but we're gonna add rotisserie chicken, so it adds some protein into it. This is like a full meal. It's delicious, it's cheesy. I can't wait for you to try it. We're gonna first get started with some easy prep work. We're gonna start by just chopping up some broccoli. I like to use just the florets for this, and I like them to be really small. So I always just cut them off of the stems, and then I'll give it like a rough chop just to get them really nice and tiny. We're also gonna be shredding up a carrot. I only had baby carrots in my fridge for some reason, so I'm using those, but it's definitely easier just to grate a large carrot. Make sure to peel it first so you don't get any of that yucky skin on the outside. Next, we're gonna mince up a onion. I'm just using about a half a cup of sweet yellow onion, and we're gonna mince up 2 garlic cloves. Then we've got our pulled chicken. I like to use a rotisserie chicken from the store just to save time. I also like how it just pulls apart into like really tender meat. It's already cooked, so we don't have to worry about that. And then lastly, we're gonna be shredding up some cheddar cheese. I'm using an extra sharp cheddar for this, but you can definitely just use regular cheddar or sharp cheddar. I like the Tillamook for this, or you can use Cabot. The biggest thing is to make sure that you shred it yourself, because if you use a bagged cheese, it has preservatives in it and like an anti-caking agent. It just doesn't melt well in the soup. I'm gonna be using a big Dutch oven for this recipe. I love Dutch ovens, they're like my favorite thing in the whole world to cook with. But if you don't have one, you can definitely just use a large pot with a lid. It's no big deal. We wanna get this started on a medium-low heat. Next up, we're gonna melt 4 tablespoons of butter. I like using like a Kerrygold or like a grass-fed butter just because it has a lot of flavor. Then we're gonna add in those onions with our salt and pepper. You're just gonna cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're nice and softened. Then add in the garlic. And you're gonna add in the flour. This is gonna make a roux, so it makes our soup really nice and thick and creamy. And you just wanna mix this in. We're not doing a gumbo, so we don't need it to turn chocolate brown or anything like that. Then we're gonna slowly pour in about half of our milk, and you really wanna use a wooden spoon to really stir this up and make sure that it gets nice and creamy. It should be nice and thick before you add the rest of the milk, and then stir that in. Next up, we're gonna add in our chicken stock with our carrots. We've got all of our broccoli. You're gonna stir this up really well, and then we're gonna cover this and cook it for about 15 minutes. You wanna check on this halfway through and make sure to stir it just so it's not sticking to the bottom. As you're cooking that broccoli, you wanna make sure to check on it like halfway through. What you're looking for is like really tender broccoli, but you don't want it to be mushy. So just make sure that you don't have like this crazy boil going on. I think a medium-low is a pretty good heat for most stoves, but just make sure to check it periodically. Once that broccoli is nice and tender, go ahead and give it a good stir. You're gonna add in a cup of cream, and then you're gonna add in that pulled chicken. Next, you're gonna cover this and cook it for another 5 minutes just to warm everything up. Lastly, we're just gonna add in our cheddar cheese. We're gonna stir this until it melts really well, and that's it. It's ready to serve. You can add in some salt and pepper or some hot sauce. I hope you guys love this one. It's so tasty. If you're still watching this, let me know in the comments what's your favorite soup recipe for fall and winter. This is definitely one of my favorites. Also love French onion.
Having a bite out of the pot, it looks so good. You guys, this is better than Panera's.
We are all done with this gorgeous broccoli and cheese soup with chicken. I hope you guys love this recipe. You gotta make this one. It's ready in under an hour. It's so delicious. Your whole family will love it. I like to serve this one with French bread or just some crackers because it's already packed with veggies, cheese, chicken. It's like a full meal in a bowl. I hope you guys try this one. Make sure to give this video a like. Oh, just being crazy. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Coach, you wanna say hi? Come here. Say hi.